This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Jessica Godzi. Your furnished Lakeview cottage retreat is ready. Enjoy mountain charm from your 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage in historic Bear Paw. Enjoy a screened front porch with swing and a spacious side deck, perfect for relaxing or cooking on the grill after a day on the water. Prime location just inside the gate with quick access to the marina, pool, tennis, pickleball courts, and clubhouse. Bear Paw is known for its lively community with year-round events, activities, and social groups. Lake Hiwassee is right at your fingertips, 22 miles long with 180+ miles of shoreline. Surrounded by Nantahala National Forest, it offers quiet coves, excellent fishing, boating, kayaking, and water sports. A true mountain lake experience. Home is ready for use. Lawn maintenance for cottages is provided by the HOA, allowing for a low-maintenance lifestyle. Short-term rentals are permitted, making this an excellent investment, second home, or full-time residence. A touch of history makes this property unique. The original Bear Paw cottages were built to house workers during the construction of the Hiwassee Dam. Today, they remain part of a mountain resort community that blends history, recreation, and natural beauty. You can own a part of that history just in time for the vibrant fall foliage. Call me today. For more information, review the